Welcome to Crypto and Coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to make you a small introduction about blockchain monster on. On the next video, I'm going to show you the gameplay, but right now the game is under maintenance while recording this video. But this is a small introduction about blockchain monster on. Stay tuned and enjoy the show and discover the game with me right now. And don't forget the popcorn and the chip. And take your seat and enjoy the show. Ciao, ciao. I am on the main page of Blockchain Monster on. Look this beautiful, well-designed graphic. I'm learning at the same time with you the game. And the next video I'm going to make is the gameplay. But right now, the game is on the maintenance, so I cannot show you how on the testnet this game is work and the graphic and the look and feel of the battlefields or something like that. But on the next video, I'm going to present you next week. But this week, it's a small introduction about Blockchain Monster on. As you can see on the main page, look, this beautiful, well-designed. I just need a little bit of coffee. He mentioned the sell pitch, he said, the first multiple chain monster hunting NFTs game. So probably you're going to walk and find those beautiful NFT like Pokemons. I'm not quite sure. So he said, hunt and catch rare NFTs one block at a time. The on its own. So basically, you're going to run, and find where's the monster, and you're going to catch what you net. I'm not quite sure at the moment, but it seemed very interesting. But look at that. Watch the trailers. I'm going to play, and we're going to discover at the same time what it's all about. Blockchain Monster Hunt. Woo! Beautiful, well-designed music, beautiful monster, uncommon catch, rare catch, and epic catch. We won that. Cross-chain monster battles. Wow, this is insane. Explore the blockchain. Commercial block win price. Woo! Battle block, win coin or lost NFTs. You can lose NFT. Ooh, catch block, catch and unlimited. Wow, beautiful, well-designed, simple but interesting. Bing! You win! Or you lose. She's make money. Wow. The start of you monster. Wow. Trade and earns. Woo! Yeah! Hunting time. Seem pretty cool. But we need to have the look and feel if this game is cool or not to play. And if you need, again, to invest in one of the major problems with play to earn NFTs or play to earn game that I have, you always need to purchase NFTs upfront without the possibility to play to earn for free on the free pack. This is something they could, because a lot of game they want to make a lot of money, or a lot of greedy players, or I'm not saying greedy, but it's greedy just not to provide the play to earn for free pack. Instead, you need to purchase 3 NFTs to be able to play. So upfront, you say, oh my God, I need to make a lot of investment upfront. But this is something that we're going to discover with this game if we have the path for play to earn for free without the need to buy any NFTs, and you can grow in the game without investing any money. That's the futures, I think, believe of the success of play to earn game, because all the game out there that they force you to buy expensive NFTs upfront, I think they're going to fail in the long run, will not be sustainable. This is my point of view, because a lot of those games are repetitive, and it's hard to keep the players interesting in the game for the long-term player. But we're going to discover on this game if you have the platform play for free without buying any NFTs, and you have the choice just to involve and get those beautiful NFTs with your time. This is my point of view. I'm not a fashion advisor. I'm just sharing my instinct thought. What I found so far with a lot of the problem with a lot of those games play to earn. The partner of this game, we proud ourselves of creating meaningful partnerships through collaboration that bring added value to our community and players. As you can see, they have a big community of partners that believe in this blockchain monster hunt. So blockchain monster coin as well. So the BMC. So I'm going to. This is probably the house token of the blockchain monster hunt, and the tool to discover that is called the BCMC. Probably when you play the game, you will be able to mine or exchange your NFTs for this cryptocurrency or house token. So we need to see that in actions. So high levels, what you can expect to do with blockchain monster hunt. The first one is to catch power, catch reward monster and boost your chance of success. Insurance, prevent your monster from dying or losing experience with battle insurance. I'm not quite sure how this thing is working. Governance, cast your vote on ecosystem design and reward balancing. So how to play. Start playing to earn with BCMH and 4 easy steps. It's just that simple. You connect your wallet, select chain you want to play, on monster, and then make money or earn rewards. Pretty straightforward, isn't it? It's like a Pokemon, but it's like Monster Hunt. I just need to take a little bit of coffee. So NFT monsters are born, caught, and traded across multiple chains on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Avalanche. Four popular smart contract platform where you can trade and have fun. I will say I will avoid at any cost Ethereum because the gas fee is so ridiculous. I don't know why at this stage they cannot have the full upgrade here. It's take a while, but anyway, we have the choice to play on other chain. So as you can see here on the main page, a competitive and trading experience. Don't forget, it's just a small introduction. In the next video, I'm going to show you the gameplay. Battle other monster directly on the blockchain and earn attractive rewards. Pretty cool, isn't it? Involved with the blockchain. When each new block is generated, a new monster may be born for you to catch or battle. This is insane. I want this beautiful crocodile or this beautiful squirrel here or this beautiful cat in the background. So each block, they have a new monster to catch or to get in the battlefields. As you can see the team here. That you dig into. You can check their profile on LinkedIn or whatever the background if they are theirs to bring this game with a real success in the real world. As you can see, this is something very new. I discovered this project on CoinGecko, as you can see, Q1 2022. So Cumberstone Nationals, this game will probably shine in 2022 and beyond. Who knows? Time will tell. This is only a small introduction about blockchain monster hunt. On the next video, if the site is not under maintenance, I will be able to show you the game interface on the testnet. So this is something you need to wait and patience next week on this channel, Crypto and Coffee. So the first thing to do, if you enjoy this kind of content, smash the like button, press the bell notification bell, and spread the love about this great channel. And thank you so much if you have watched the video until now. See you on the next video and have a great day ahead, my friend. Ciao, ciao.